The Jason log cabin is a pent roofed building, which means it has a slight slope running from the front towards the back. To create the slope, we have to fit what we call the gables. The gables are essentially layers of wall logs with a slope pre-cut into the top, which designates the pitch of the roof. The gables can be seen on the plans at the very top of the left and right wall. They also include notches for the purlins to eventually be fitted. For a pent roofed log cabin like the Jason that we're installing, the gable will normally arrive in loose parts that require assembling on site. This is the longest part, which has notches in the top for the purlins. And then there are 4 loose parts here, which get placed in between the notches to form the roof shape. Both the long bits and the smaller sections will have markings or labels to designate them together in their own 2 groups. Once you've identified all 4 of the small bits, which go with a large bit, you just need to offer the small bits on top of the large to make the shape of the roof. Now I've identified where all 4 of the smaller gable parts go, we can now move the longer piece up on top of the wall. With the longer piece of the gable fitted, I then also placed the front and rear top wall logs into position, which then allows me to fit 2 of the smaller gable sections. With the very final top log placed on the front wall and the 2 smaller parts of the gable fitted front and rear, I can now infill the 2 smaller pieces left to place on top. With all 4 parts of the gable now fitted, I'm going to secure it into place by sending screws down through the top log, through the small bit, into the log underneath. I'm going to do this on the front and rear of the building.